as a transformational life coach, I'm passionate about you living a life you love. The world has been put on this intentional pause right now, and it's such a great time to really get in touch with each one of our true purpose and our potential. To really ask ourselves what makes us come alive. And when we get back into our lives and the regular day-to-day, we want to make sure that we're not just returning to the superficial. And we don't want to miss this opportunity to get in touch and connected with what it is that you would love. So at a time when the world is operating at a vibration of fear and worry and doubt, my encouragement to you is to take this time to really ask your question, what would I love? What would I love to return to? What do I want on my calendar? What's important to me? And to take this time to be really intentional with that self-reflection. And this is something that I can absolutely help you discover and get in touch with, so that as our lives start to return and we go back into our communities and connection, that you're doing that more deliberately, so that you truly are living a life that you love, that's filled with intention and connection and purpose and passion. And so if you're ready to really discover that and take this opportunity to find that within you, I highly encourage you to attend our free online webinar on April 4th, where you'll learn the tools on how to discover that purpose, how to overcome those self-sabotaging behaviors, how to really rise above the fears, the doubts, the worries. If you want to take this rare opportunity when life has been put on hold, where the pause button has pushed, and use it intentionally and deliberately, join us for this online event. It can change your life. So if you're ready, register today at staceyberger.ca/vision workshop. I hope to see you there. Here is to you living a life you love.